off we go. Alright, this is my first time to join, and I think we have a good course condition today. Weather looks perfect, hopefully stays that way. So it's already 7:26. We're gonna start at the back 9. We're playing white tees today. Alright, so we will be teeing off after this group. I'm still sleepy. I think I slept at around close to 2 a.m. and we have to leave at around 5 a.m. so I have to wake up at 4 a.m. so 2 hours of sleep, so not good before you do an 18-hole round. But here we are, so we're just gonna try to get our best score at this condition. Okay, 392 yards, bunkers at the left and right. Let's see, first tee of the day. Thank you. Alright, we're off for a good start. And we have here Sir Artie is our flight mate here. So this is our first hole. We started the back 9, hole 10, 391 yards, 361 meters to the center of the green. So walking to our ball, which I think we are left with 100 meters. Alright, pitching wedge in our hand. Back pin. Oh, I clipped the tree. Okay, not so bad. So it's left uphill all the way. I'm just gonna put it a little bit to the left, around maybe 1. We're still probably around 50 yards away, 50 feet away, so oh, that was faster than I expected, and I was aiming to the right. Could have been left, but here we are, no worries. Oh, no break at all. Alright, we got a bogey there. I was expecting a little bit of a break from the green. It didn't break at all. Like my ball just went straight. But it's okay. A bogey start. Okay, that was what we're trying to do, to fade it like that. The whole placement here, I actually have a shot, but I feel like I'm not gonna reach it. So I'm just gonna lay up this and don't do anything more stupid. So we're just gonna put it somewhere there. Ball is below our feet, so a little bit tricky here. Alright, I think our shot is okay. 123 yards. I think I need to shoot this with my pitching. So we'll see. We're a little bit down slope, so we need to adjust our shot. Let's see. Over. We hit a good tee shot there. I think we have a birdie chance. Hopefully we can get it. Yes, we have a birdie chance here, so we better make this. Let's cross our fingers. Yeah! Thank you. Thank you. Okay, my day's done. I have a birdie. The day is done. Whatever score I get, I don't care anymore. Thank you. Okay, hole number 13, 343 yards, dog leg left, 170 to cover the bunker. I need to aim left of that red stick.
Okay.
Okay. Artie's ball went to the bunker, but it bounced out. So that was actually really cool. Put myself in a more difficult situation than it has to be. I was trying to draw the ball, but it just won't draw. 138 yards. I need to get up. I'll just get my 9. Not the easiest of lie, but let's see. Oh no, sit. It went over here to the right here. So now I have a 56. Get this over there. Oh no, oh no, oh no. All right, that was a bad shot. Okay. All right, par 4, 371 yards to the center.
Okay.
Okay, not so bad. I think we're left with still around 120-ish, 120 yards, maybe. Okay. That was a low shot. So every one of us is in the fairway, which is good. All right, so this is gonna be a difficult one. Our ball is going up. 121 yards left. I knew it. Yeah. Okay, not so bad. I'll take it. Okay, we have our ball. It's just a little bit. We were a little bit short of the green, and I think it's because of the lie. That lie was just difficult. Go to the right. Go. I should have hit a little bit harder. That's it, but I think we're good. Left, in, uphill. Okay. That's it. Okay. Let's get this par. Oh no. Alright, we have here par 4, 308 yards to the center. There's a bunker right next to the green. So we'll just try to hit it as straight as we can. Okay. Too straight.
What is that? DJI, right?
Sorry?
DJI.
Yeah, the Osmo Pocket 3.
Oh, okay.
So what I like about this is that when I put it down, it's always level. Right? Because if you use your normal camera, you have to, exactly. But this one, the moment you do this, it's always level. So
It's because of the tripod, right?
no, because of the gimbal. It has a gimbal.
Yeah, gimbal.
Right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll try to see. I'll try going over the trees. Oh, yeah, I think this one is a bit better action here. Okay, 96 yards left. 3 in front of us. Okay. Go! Oh no! All right, I was able to go up over the tree, but I went a little bit short. So now we are in the bunker. Okay, 122 yards. We have our no wind. We have our pitching in hand. Let's see. Oh, it didn't draw. I was trying to draw that. Okay. Would have been nice though if I had it a little bit more to the center. I think this is their signature hole because it's shaped like a star. If you look at it from the top, it's shaped like a star.
Okay.
Okay, this is our ball. We were pin high. Pin high, just to the right. Yeah, right to left, I think. Left turn. Stop. All right, we got a straight putt here. So for par. All right, let's get it. No. Bogey again. All right, hole 17, 325. I knew it. All right, we messed this one up. Now we have to. We are still very far, so we're just gonna take our pill here. Oh no. So I have here 77 yards. Trees in front of me. I think I can go over these trees. So we'll try to swing this full. Choke our club a bit. And let's see what happens. I knew it was gonna be short. 4. All right, this is for bogey. Come on! Oh wow. Double bogey. All right, hole 18. Last hole of the back 9, and then after this we're gonna go to the front 9. That wasn't too bad of a tee shot. We're all in the fairway. I have my 7. Hopefully we get this right. Oh, I hate this lie. I don't like lie like this. The ball below my feet. I don't like this. Oh, we'll see.
Okay.
All right. I think we hit it okay. Tricky green. All right, let's see. Two left. Two left. Okay. Man, I should have a birdie. That was 2 left. 29 yards. 29 yards with this one. 32 yards. Down. Okay, this is a difficult lie. Short. Okay. Hitting par.
Yes. Right inside.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you, bogey. We finished the back 9. I had a bogey. Bogey 2. All right. So now we go to hole 1. 351 yards. 1,000 bunker in the middle. So we'll just try to get it a little bit to the left.
Okay.
Okay, safe. Alright, saw. Okay, now walking towards our ball. Uh, we went a little bit to the right, but I think it's fine because there's big bunkers here. As you can see, in the middle of the fairway, there is this nasty bunker. So us going a little bit to the right, I think it's not so bad. Now the thing is, we have trees in front of us. We just have to manage that. So we still have around 68 yards. I don't think I can hit this with my pitching or my other wedges, so I'm just gonna hit it like a punch shot. Hopefully we can get this on the green after that. So just have to trust our shot here. Let's get this done with our 7. A little bit of a flight here. Oh no, went to the left. To the right. Just straight, right? Yeah. Oh, so bad. Okay. Thank you. Par.
Yep, and then hole number 12, J-Row. Three, 1, 4 meters.
Alright, so the tournament is already done, and somehow we got lucky today in a round. First off, we won a raffle. We won in the raffle, so we won this. When you want to get your ball from the water or something like that. So we got this from the raffle, so freebie in a way. And we actually managed to get 2 medals. There we go. One of them is for the longest drive, and one of them is the nearest to the pin. So I think we got lucky today. I mean, we played well, but I think more than that, we just got lucky today. But we're happy to bring all of this stuff back home. So we'll try to join the tournament again and see if we can win more medals. But for now, that's it. Have a good day.